Charlie, that's not your trophy, unfortunately. Your one's broken, I'm sorry. Moving on now to square one. In third place, with an average of 10:41, Fabio Schwant. Sorry, will we keep... In second place, with an average of 9.77, Charlie Stark. And with an average of 9.15, your square one champion is Ryan Eckersley. And now moving on to Scube. In third place, with an average of 3.25, Fabio Schwant. In second place, with an average of 3.17, Harry Savage. And in first place, with an average of 2.52, your Scube champion is George Scully. You can see as we get further down the line, people have further to walk. In Pyraminx next, in third place with an average of 3.72, Harry Savage. In second place with an average of 3.57, Edward Burgess, who got it earlier, but we can clap it from here. And in first place with an average of 2.59, your Pyraminx champion, Daniel Partridge. Next up is Clock, everyone's favourite event. See, you don't get that kind of cheer for any other event, do you? In third place with an average of 5.68, Sam Shaw. In second place with an average of 5.42, Oliver Castledine. And in first place, your Clock champion with an average of 4.57 seconds, Jacob Chambers. You've got yours the wrong way around, Jacob. We will move on now to one-handed. In third place, with an average of 12.60, Chris Mills. In second place, with an average of 11.81, Nicholas Archer. And in first place, with an average of 11.30, and your OH champion, Louis de Mendonça. Can I have one trophy back, please? The silver one, we've got it. Okay. In third place, with an average of 32.75, Chris Mills. In second place with an average of 30.15, Harishan Ramanan. And in first place, with a national record average of 27.68, your 4x4 champion, you guessed it, Ellie J. And the final stretch, 2x2, in third place with an average of 2.05, Luke Burns. In second place with an average of 1.81, George Scoley. And in first place, your 2x2 champion with an average of 1.68, James Alonso. That's it, right? We can go home? No. 3x3, the main event of the competition. In third place, with an average of 7.73, Nicholas Archer. In second place, with an average of 7.27, Chris Mills. And in first place, with an average of 7.15, your UK champion 2022, James Alonso.